Today we're going to be taking an in-depth look at the FreeScan UE Pro 2, a brand new 3D metrology grade handheld scanner by Shining3d. Aside from being an amazing metrology grade scanner, one of the things that really sets the UE Pro 2 apart from other FreeScan scanners is that it's wireless, meaning no longer are you held back by having a cable connected to your computer. The only thing you actually need to connect to the scanner in order to use it wirelessly is its battery pack, and you can see that the cable is amply long. You can just stick that in your back pocket, plug it in, and then you're ready to go. Portability is a huge factor. Speaking of portability, it also has an integrated inspection module, meaning that you can do that on the job site, saving you both time and money. As a FreeScan scanner, it has the 3 different laser scanning modes that we've become accustomed to, so multi-line scanning, fine detail scanning, and single-line scanning for acquiring deep pocket data. When scanning in multi-line scanning mode, we'll be scanning with 50 laser lines, allowing us to scan at a speed of 3,460,000 points per second. It's extremely accurate, offering up to 2 microns of accuracy when using its patented binocular photogrammetry bars. The UE Pro 2 also scans at a point distance of between 0.01 millimeters and 10 millimeters. It has a max field of view of 600 by 550 millimeters and scans at a scan depth of 360 millimeters. The FreeScan UE Pro 2 also comes with a router, so you simply plug the router into a power source and then connect your router to a LAN port with the cable that's provided with the scanner. When not in wireless mode, you'll be taking advantage of this extremely robust, high-quality cable. One difference that you'll notice is that instead of having to use a USB port, you'll be plugging the scanner into the LAN port on your computer. Weighing in at 950 grams, it's not too heavy. Shining3d's computer recommendations for using the FreeScan UE Pro 2 are a bit over the top. Our machine is quite a bit older than what they recommend. We only have an RTX 2080 10th gen Intel processors. We were still able to scan and acquire scan data without any complications or problems, without any freezing. We were not able to run our screen recording software in tandem with the UE Pro 2, so Shining3d does recommend a 13th generation Intel processor, as well as a bare minimum RTX 4060 card. The Pelican case that the scanner comes in is huge. Not only is it huge, but it's extremely well built. One of my colleagues just took it on a trip. Everything inside was just fine, super well protected. But you can see all of the extreme foam padding that is in the Pelican case. I mean, it's just completely and totally decked out with all these little compartments for everything that you need for your scanner. A very, very well thought out addition to the FreeScan UE Pro 2. I thought that we could scan this exercise bike. It's a pretty complicated shape. As you can see, it presents a lot of difficulties for 3D scanning. We have this reflective area right here. There are a lot of intricacies, a lot of things that under normal circumstances would be extremely difficult to pick up with a scanner. And so I thought that it would be a challenging, good demonstration of just what we can do with the FreeScan UE Pro 2. To top that off, to make it even more difficult, we're not going to actually apply any markers to the exercise bike itself. We're going to use these marker helpers and we're going to stick them all over the bike. I'll scan this side of the bike. I'm not going to worry about scanning the back side of the bike. So without further ado, let's jump into scanning. So that was it. We've completed scanning this side of the bike. You can see how well the FreeScan UE Pro 2 did. Without any markers actually affixed to the bike, just using marker helpers and the photogrammetry bars, we were able to capture a lot of the exercise bike's detail, and we did all of that quite quickly. So that was our demonstration of the FreeScan UE Pro 2, a brand new handheld 3D scanner by Shining3d, offering both wireless and non-wireless scanning, and doing all that with 50 crossed blue laser lines, making it a rapid, portable, and extremely versatile scanning solution. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave them in the comments section below or reach out to us at info@umax.com. Should you wish to peruse our website, you can do so at umax.com. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. It helps us know that the content we're creating is of use to you. And in addition to selling 3D scanners, we also offer retopology and reverse engineering services. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.